Hello, friends. Today, let's talk about something that's probably sitting in your home right now. Yep, that little blue jar of Vaseline. I mean, think about it. With thousands of fancy new beauty products hitting the shelves every day, how has this one simple classic managed to be a favorite for like every generation?
But here's a thought. Even though it's been around forever, are you sure you're using it the right way? Most people think it's just a simple moisturizer, but what if I told you that's not what it is at all?
Okay, get ready for this because a staggering 90% of people use Vaseline completely wrong. Yeah, 90%. And it's all because they misunderstand its most basic job, and that's what keeps them from unlocking its true potential.
So in this explainer, we're going to show you how mixing Vaseline with the right ingredients can make even mature, tired skin look young and vibrant again. We've got 5 super powerful hacks to completely transform your skin. And you're definitely going to want to stick around to the end because I'll also tell you who should absolutely, under no circumstances, put Vaseline on their face.
So first up, let's just bust the biggest myth right now. Most of us think, oh, my skin is dry, let me just slather on some Vaseline and I'm good to go. But that, my friends, is exactly where the mistake happens.
So here is the absolute key. Vaseline, by itself, does not moisturize your skin, not one bit. You see, a moisturizer's job is to add hydration, to give your skin a drink. Vaseline is what we call an occlusive. It doesn't add moisture, it creates a seal to lock in the moisture that's already there.
And this is the perfect way to think about it. An occlusive is like putting a lid on a pot of water. The lid doesn't add any water to the pot, right? It just stops the water inside from evaporating. So if your skin is already dry underneath and you just put Vaseline on top, well, you're just sealing in the dryness. You're putting a lid on an empty pot.
And that brings us to the secret. The real magic, the real power, kicks in when you combine Vaseline with a hydrating ingredient. You know, something that puts the water in the pot first. That's how we turn this everyday product into a total skincare powerhouse.
All right, now that you get the science, let's get to the fun part. Here are 5 powerful, super easy homemade hacks you can start using tonight for that hydrated, smooth, glowing skin we all want.
So, our first hack is an absolute lifesaver for anyone who deals with that super dry, cracked skin, especially when it gets cold out. All you need is 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Just mix them together until you've got this smooth cream. It's so simple. The aloe sinks in and gives your skin that deep drink of water, and then the Vaseline comes in and locks it all in place, letting your skin repair itself all night. This is fantastic for anyone whose hands get dry from washing dishes, for older people with thinner skin, and even for kids with chapped cheeks.
Okay, next up is hack number 2. We're going to use the ancient power of turmeric to create an amazing anti-inflammatory mix.
For this one, mix a tablespoon of Vaseline with about a 1/4 teaspoon of some good quality turmeric. I mean, in Ayurveda, turmeric is basically the king of calming stuff down. This mix is incredible for soothing a suntan, calming down redness, or dealing with rashes. And for the guys out there, it's a fantastic aftershave soother to stop any irritation. Just pop it on for about 30 minutes, then wash it off.
All right, now for the one I know you've all been waiting for. If you're over 30 and you're starting to notice some fine lines, dark spots, or dark circles, this is the master hack for you. I really do call this the perfect night repair mix. It's specifically made to target those stubborn signs of aging, and it does all its best work while you're fast asleep.
It's so simple. Just mix 1 teaspoon of Vaseline with the liquid from a single vitamin E capsule. So here's why it works. The vitamin E helps speed up your skin's healing process, and the Vaseline locks in all that healing power right where you need it. Gently dab it on your dark spots, fine lines, and under eye area maybe 3 or 4 times a week. You will be amazed at how much clearer and younger your skin starts to look.
So does your skin ever just look dull? You know, like it's lost its natural glow? Well, this next hack is your secret weapon to bring back that radiance.
Take a tablespoon of Vaseline and a teaspoon of rose water. Now the trick here is to whip them together until it turns into this light, kind of creamy texture. Rose water is amazing for soothing and toning your skin. Just massage a very thin layer onto your face at night. It's super gentle, safe for all skin types, and you'll wake up with a really fresh, even-toned complexion.
And for our 5th and final hack, we are going after those painfully chapped lips and that annoying flaky skin with a true natural healer.
Just combine 1 tablespoon of Vaseline with 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey is a natural healer, and it has these mild antibacterial properties, which makes it perfect for cracked lips and flaky skin.
You can apply it to your face for about 30 to 45 minutes and then wash it off. Or, my favorite way, just leave it on your lips overnight. You'll wake up with baby soft lips, and your skin will look so much brighter.
Okay, so we've gone through all the amazing benefits, but now it's time for a really important warning. Vaseline is not for everyone, and if you use it on the wrong skin type, you can actually make things a whole lot worse.
So who should stay away? First off, if you have oily or acne-prone skin, just don't do it. Vaseline can clog your pores, and that'll just lead to more breakouts. Second, if you struggle with cystic acne, fungal infections, or whiteheads, Vaseline can literally trap that infection and make the problem worse. And finally, if you live somewhere really humid, Vaseline can mix with your sweat and create this sticky layer that just clogs everything up.
So there you have it, the real science behind Vaseline and 5 powerful ways you can finally start using it correctly. Just remember the one key takeaway. Always pair it with a hydrator to unlock its real sealing power. Now I'm really curious, which one of these hacks are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below.